Croeso nôl i'r podlediad yma. Diolch am wrando, heno. Hello and welcome back to this podcast. Thanks for listening tonight. Cyfres 4, pennod 52. Series 4, episode 52. Gwrywaidd A Benywaidd. Gwrywaidd A Benywaidd. Masculine and feminine. Yes, so croeso nôl. Welcome back. Good evening, everyone. So, any mutations there? Yes, we have diolch am wrando. Wrando as usual. To listen, the verb noun has become wrando. The G has dropped. Soft mutation of G. It disappears. And soft mutation happens after key prepositions, 12 of which are am, arat, dan, dros, drwy, gan, heb, hyd, I, o, wrth. And they're alphabetical, no particular order. Other people do them in different orders. People have make songs up about them, but it doesn't really matter. It's just how I remember them. I like the 3 A's together and I like the 3 D's together. And as well as the dan, dros, drwy, there's tan, dros, drwy as well, which mean the same thing. Dan, dros, drwy is just the soft mutation of tan, dros, drwy, and it's just become words in its own right over time. So that's how that works. Right, so there's 15 key prepositions there then, okay? 3 beginning with A, 3 beginning with D, and 3 beginning with T. Yes, and then gan, heb, hyd, that's G-A-H-H. I remember that by Grange Hill for some reason. And I, o, wrth, I just remember that because it's 2 little letters, I, o, and wrth, and just rhythmically runs off now. Any other mutations there? No. Yeah, so today's episode is feminine, or masculine and feminine. And it's just that nouns have gender. Some of them end up with 2 genders because the north and south can't decide amongst themselves usually. So a word like minute in the north is masculine in the north but feminine in the south. So when you say the minute or this minute, a funud ma down south, or a minute ma, presumably in the north. And you have hun and hon, of course, that's what this episode's about. So we have some of the nouns that we already know. I've grouped them together because it's not easy knowing whether something's masculine or feminine on the face of things. There are a couple of rules, we can get through a few of them, but beyond that, it's just a case of learning them in context, and they will stick in your head that way better, rather than trying to group them together in different ways. Just keep practicing them. So that's what we're starting on this lesson. So the words we're going through are bachgen, which is boy, merch, which is girl or maiden or daughter or woman, dyn, man, dynes, female or woman, gwraig, woman again, eiliad is a second, minute is a minute, hour is an hour, dydd is a day, nos is night, noswaith is evening, and noson is night or evening as well. Dyddiad is date, dydd llun is Monday, dydd mawrth is Tuesday, dydd mercher is Wednesday, dydd iau, Thursday. Tad is father, ewyther is uncle, mamgi, grandmother, dydd Gwener, Friday, dydd Sadwn is Saturday, dydd Sul is Sunday. Mis is month, Ionawr, January, Chwefror, February, Mawrth again is March, Ebrill, April, Mai, May, Mehefin, June, Gorffennaf, July, Awst is August, Medi, September, Hydref is October, Tachwedd is November, Rhagfyr is December, Diwrnod is day, as in 24-hour period, Noswyl is eve or vigil, Brawd, brother, chwaer, sister, mam, mother, modryb, aunt, 9, grandmother, tai, grandfather, and tadki is grandfather again for the south rather than tide in the north. So lots of words we already know. I've gone through them quickly. There's a match up there from, there's the flashcards from, there's the sentences, and Then there's build the sentences and fill the gaps and knock yourself out. So brush up on them, skip past them if you already know them all, you're confident with that, whether it's just read them out, don't worry about that, skip past them all. And then you're going on to some rules. So what I'm basically saying here is, we've got tips like people and family members, they're obvious. So sister is feminine, woman is feminine, right? And we've got country, cities and towns, they're all feminine, right? Animals, male or female animals, obvious as well. Days of the week, yeah, they're masculine. And any other words with dydd or related to dydd. Dydd, dyddiad, diwrnod, all masculine. Opposite to that, night words, noson, noswyl, they're evening words. They're all feminine as opposed to masculine for the day words. Months, masculine again. The word month itself, mis, is masculine, and so are all the month names. We've got then you got time words starting at aliad for second. They alternate. So second aliad is feminine. The next one, minute, is masculine, but it can be feminine as well down south. But let's say it's masculine. And they alternate like that. Hour or hour is feminine. Dydd, day, masculine. Week, wythnos, feminine. Month, mis, masculine. Year, blwyddyn, feminine. Decade, degawd, masculine. Century, canrif, feminine. Okay, so we don't know all them words yet, canrif, but you can work them out. We know cant, we know number, canrif, yeah? There's other things in there like degawd, in decade. It's the digital 10. Wythnos is 8 nights, so we can see the words if we don't know them all. Yeah, we do know wythnos as well, so it's all right. There's beyond that, the other rules aren't so solid, I don't think. And there's words like ending in ith, a-e-t-h, and they say that most of them are feminine. They are, but you just don't know which one's the rule breakers. So beyond that, we just learn the patterns. And the best way of learning the patterns for knowing if they're feminine or masculine is to put the word the in front of them. And you do that when you say this formally as well. So if you say a verchon, merch has become verch because it's after the word the, and we're using the feminine hon, a verchon. With bachgen, we don't do that. We say a bachgen hun. So boy doesn't need to mutate after the singular. Male noun doesn't need to mutate after the word the, and we're using the masculine for this, hun at the end of it. Right, moving on to the listening exercise. There's also a few other rules you can do as well with numbers and things like that. So if you practice with numbers and saying this and the things, then you start to remember whether it's a verch or a merch. You just hear it. And listening to the radio and other things are all ways to get it to sink in. Right, moving on, gotta be quick. We've got the listening exercise for today is this. Pwy fydd y tad hwn? A phwy ydy'r chwaer hon? Who will be this father? And who is this sister? Mae'r dyn yn gwybod am y ddynes. The man knows about the woman. Cymbo hir bydd yn pawb yn gwybod y gwir. Soon everyone will know the truth. Y mis hwn, yr wythnos hon, yn bendant. This month, this week, definitely. So there you go. We've used words in there, father, sister. We've put the word hun and hon in there. Listen back to it. It's on the listen exercise. It's on the daily quiz for today, which is 090825. Gotta go. Time's up.